Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back another time. So in this video I'm just going to show you that how exactly you can create AWS free tier account. Now AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, and they have a lot of web services to provide you and also offer to you. So if you don't know about what is AWS or Amazon Web Services, you can check my past video, link in the description or in this channel, so you will understand that what is AWS. For now, in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to create AWS account for free and get the services for your business. So let's get started. So as you can see here, I'm in my computer here, and it's a pretty blank browser here. So what I need to do, you need to just search for AWS free tier. So once you search for it, you will find out this AWS account. Actually, there's AWS free tier link here. So once you get it, you just simply click it here and the page will load it up. So once you click the link, you will see this page here, and here you can see that they are just described like free trials, 12-month trials, and always free. That means you can use their service with very limited criteria for free. And there is another thing you will notice, that startup get up to $100,000 AWS credit. That I already described in my previous video, so make sure check the channel and check this video out. So for this tutorial, let's get started with it. As you can see here, this is the page here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just simply click in this create a free account here. So do as like I do. So once the sign up page appear here, all the way you need to do just copy your email and paste it here, and also put your name here, something like here I just got my domain name. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my domain name here, like my company name here, and also verify the email address. So once you click verify the email address, you will get the code actually into your email. So we need to wait a few minutes, I think, to get the code actually. So as you can see, I have the code is actually here arrived to my email. So I'm just pasting it here, and also I'm just clicking the verify. So once you click the verify, here you can see it's the email address is successfully verified. And then all the way you need to do just create a password. So I'm just going to use the Google suggested password here, and also I'm just clicking the continue to step 2. So once you click the steps 2, here is another button appear. So all the way you need to do is fill up the form actually. So here you can see how do you plan to use the AWS. That one is for business and one is for personal. Since we creating the trial account for our personal use, so I'm just going to select the person. So once you click the personal, all you need to do is just input the name. So I'm just input my name here, and all the way you need to input your phone number. So I'm just putting my phone number later here. So for now I'm just going to input my address here. So address is nothing actually. All the way you need to do just put some random address for USA. You can basically get it into any random address website. So that doesn't matter actually. You can find out any website, but there is one thing you need to understand. But if you have a credit card or the card you are using to sign up to this trial account, you need to use this exact address as your credit card have. So this is the make sense. So for me, I'm using a credit card that actually works for any kind of address. So I'm just using this random address. So here I'm just copy this address line here, and I'm just pasting it into this field, and also just the city name, and also this state name actually. And the state name, I have to put the state name. Alright, so and I have the exist of this code. So once you write your postal code here, all the way you need to do just enter the phone number. Now there's something that you need to understand before inputting the phone number. They will send you a code actually. If you don't have any USA phone number, then you can purchase a phone number for demonstration purpose. I'm using a phone number that I purchased, and also if you don't have the USA phone number, then you can purchase from this website. And also if you want to use your phone number actually from your mobile phone, then you can use it without any hesitation. So this is matters of you. This is also upon of you. So now I'm just using my phone number from my website that I purchased. So let's get it. So as you can see, this is my website here. So all the way I'm just refreshing it once more here, and then it will appear. It will take some time. So I'm just searching it for Amazon, and here you can see I have an Amazon Web Services number here. So once I click it here, and I will get my number here. So once I get my number, I'll just simply copy it and also paste it. So once I paste it, and let's say I have to put my country code actually, and then now all you need to do, you need to just input your credit card number. I'm just copying my credit card from this thing. I have 425 is the date and 9 is the CCV numbers. Okay, let's just once I just forgot it. So once you enter the every information here, such a card number, the expiration date and your name and also the address, all the way you need to do is just verify and continue step number 4, sorry. So once you click here, they will ask you for another time your phone number. So all the way I'm just going to here in my phone number and I'm just copying from there and we'll paste it here. So once you paste it, you just all the way you need to do just security check here for preventing spam. So I'm just entering. I don't see it actually. So what is that? Alright, so let's continue with this next number and it's pretty easy. So once you enter it, so everything is done. So now here you just have to select that which method you want the verification code, a voice call or a text number. So since the text number is easy for me, then I just input this text number here. So once I select this radio button of the text message, all the way I need to hit the last button of this text. So once I hit this text, so they just confirming that they will send a code into my mobile number, and all the way I need to just copy this code and here paste it here to verify my account. So let's wait for the code. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I have got my code. It's a 210214. So I'm just simply copying it here and also pasting in this field and also hitting the button of the last step. That means the 5 steps. So once I click the continue, it will just go through and verify your account is ready to use. So as you can see here, it's loading up. So once you click there and it's all done, and here you can see they are just asking for the plan, and we have the free plan here. So another plan you got is basically it's a support plan, and as you can see here, this is a developer support. As you can see here, this is a developer support for $29 per month, and the business support is $100 per month. Since we don't need any kind of support here, so we are just going to go with this basic support for free. So I'm just clicking here for basic support, and I think it's all done. Congratulations, thank you for sign up AWS. Now we are all done. So all you need to do, you need to wait few hours. I think like it's 5 or 6 hours, then you will get another confirmation email, and here they will saying you that you're all done with your AWS account and it's ready to use. So thank you for watching this video guys, and I really appreciate to you if you subscribe my channel and also like the video. And also I will share you with another tutorial. So I'll share you another tutorial into the next day that how exactly you can build a web server for free into this account. So this is really exciting. So make sure to subscribe my channel and also like the video. So I'll see you in the next one.